In this video, I'm going to be showing you how to bind Noclip in CS2, so be sure to watch this video until the very end to prevent any mistakes in the process. You're going to begin by enabling your console and making sure that your SV_cheats are at 1, just by doing this. Now, once you do that, you're just going to type in Noclip, and as you can see, it's on right now. Then, once you're done that, you're going to click on bind, and then you're going to click whatever key you want to bind it to. So let's say I click on J. Then I'm going to type Noclip, and as you can see, if I were to click on J, my Noclip would go on, and I would enable it. That's all there is to it. Be sure to leave a like, comment, and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.